I'm back. So I just kind of put this together. So this is Bo Bunny Garden Grove and Bo Bunny Down by the Sea. I like that. And I'm hoping, can I bring in a yellow? That might be too, that's a bit too bright. Oh, that's nice. Quite pale. This is Lawn Fawn Sphinx. Really rainbow scallops. Okay, I like it. Now, do we have any cardstock left? Would that work? Something like that? Sure. Look at that. 6. Oh my goodness, I felt like I was really slowing down there, but that helped pick it up a bit. Okay, I still have a couple set aside. Let me come back to this and just see what else could we do. One second. Yeah, I was thinking, is that black or a navy? But I'm guessing black because that's black. So it doesn't really match that one. But I think I'll try it. And see if we can still find one other color to go with this. No, not really. Okay, go totally random. Any of that match? Not really. Not really. No. That out, but I'll move it back. Ooh, do I like it? Here we go again. Oh, come on. No. Well, kinda, but then that eliminates that. The background that I'm shocked that I might be using. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I remember we had pulled that too. So depending what direction I go. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. No. Okay, I'm going to keep trying to focus on this for now. I really like the other set that's, can't see that with that. But I want to see if I can make this work. And again, it's going to be the background, this paper there that's going to throw me now. Who was that again? Was that Pink Fresh? Pink Paisley, sorry. Pink Paisley, yes. Pink Paisley. Or black and white. No, too stripey. you know what? That's it. We're just going to call it, make it work. I'll move that one over here. So that is 7. Now, seriously. Seriously. All of a sudden, that doesn't look right. Does it? In my mind, anyway. What else do we have? That's about it that we could make work. One, two, there's only... I'd like to try to use this, but I prefer that, but this might just push me to do something different. Oh, I can just picture it already, actually. I just had a thought. How's that look? Okay. Oh, here we go. 2 on the go again. I'm just going to do that. I know we've already done that paper, but perfect. That is 8. No, I can envision something now, and that is not it. Well, it's picking up that. I don't know. And in some ways I find that might be a bit bright. Fussy, aren't I? Now what is this? Magnolia Jane. Oh, I'm out of camera again. Sorry. No, no more stripe on there. No. Sorry, I stopped talking. Concentrating too much. That isn't where I was thinking in my head of going with this, but but that could possibly work. Ay, ay, ay. What's all this? Pink, pink. Oh, more of that gold again. Keeps getting stuck in there. No. So no, but how about that? No. How have I not seen that one? I like that. Not for this necessarily. Huh, okay, remember, there's a green down there. Okay, maybe the blue is throwing me. No. Well, it's this colors that are gonna give me some trouble so far. I'm just gonna go through this one more time. And I didn't love that. Oh guys, I wish you could help. Tell me what to do. Oh, that one is so pretty. Actually, I'm going to set that aside for a minute. Yellow. No. What was that one? Bumblebees, yellow. No more stripe. How do I do this every time? Is that? No. Again, it's that different. The other one. And I have more of these in my stash, so I'm not worried about using them all up. No. Okay, well that's, been through that a couple of times. So it's either not going to work or I'm going to make it work right now. Now let me see. These are the 2 remaining cardstock I have. That is just not even close. This doesn't do anything for me. Okay, so then we've got the Bo Bunny double dot. I do and I don't. You know, oh, I forgot we still have this guy over here too. Huh. We were working on a round or 2 ago. You know what, where are we? We are 8. I'm gonna just set those both aside, maybe as a carry on for another video. But I keep seeing this, and I won't use the mermaid side, but I like that. And I thought of this, wood grain. Ooh. Now there's something growing here. Oh, and we had a greeny blue, or green, at the back here, didn't we? I said, remind me. Okay. I like it. I don't know what I'm going to add to it, but I am calling it. That's good. That's 9. Oh, hang on. Does that cardstock qualify? Actually, I like the green. Nope, we'll just save that. Okay, one more. So those ones I might just leave for another session. Okay, and there was still one. I had this pulled for something. I just wonder if it'll pop up. See, we're such campers, but do I like that? That's not what I thought I was gonna do, but let's see. And now I'm all right, let's just see. I was gonna say, didn't we have a mustardy one? Right. Okay, now what about another wood? Will it be this simple? Okay, well, that or that. I really don't know. I like them both. What's on the other side? Oh, another wood grain and nothing. Well, that doesn't really help me. Let me just run through this one time and see what we see. Hang on. I kind of like that. I don't know, for some reason it's that one that keeps popping out to me. Okay, that's it. It's so strange. The whole time I was looking for that, something to do with this yellow. Perfect. All right, that is 10. So we've done 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. We have done 30 kits. I think I'm going to call that for now. And we will start, I'll start matching pictures to them and embellishments. So that'll be the next round. And I'm just, again, going to put these aside. When we do more of this in the future, there might be other colors. So I'll just probably add another big stack of paper to this and we'll just carry on. So thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe. I would love it. And follow along so you get to know what's coming next. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a good day. Bye.